Hi there, this is Caleb at AB Supply. I wanted to bring you this quick video to show you the dimensional properties of Bilco's RPBD2-G. This is their C Sill for their C-sized doors. So let's get into this. The overall length of this sill comes in right at about 48 inches. The overall width of this sill is going to come out to be about 1 3/4 inches. I'll see if I can show you that here. And then we'll get into the mounting holes here. So it's going to be hard to show on camera, but these mounting holes come in just at about 11/32. Try to get it lined up on a number for you. It's tough to see. I did some measurements earlier. It's around 11/32 of an inch. The center to center of these holes, this first one to the second one, will come out to be around 20 inches. You can see there. And then from this second hole to the third hole, we're right around 24 inches on these. All right, you can see there. That's basically the main dimensional properties. We've got a couple lips on the side. They're going to be the same diameter. Center to center of these two obviously will be just around 48 as well. So yeah, I mean, this is their C sill for their C door. This is their current design on this. Now that Bilco did let me know that this should work on older C style doors with the torsion rods, but may require some modification as well. Looking through the documentation of this particular sill, I believe that the fasteners are no longer available for it. But yeah, this sill is available. We do stock it regularly, so no problem. Could be what you need. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.